1. Hi, everyone. Neighborly was based on the idea of connecting people with their neighbors who may be struggling right now because they are unable to leave their homes due to the heightened risk that COVID-19 presents for them. In particular, we saw this as a way to help older generations who are more vulnerable to the virus immediately by allowing them to ask people near them to help out by bringing them groceries, over-the-counter prescriptions, and other errands that would involve them to go into the public and expose themselves to a high risk of contracting COVID-19. We based our app on the grassroots initiative that one of our members saw, which had community members delivering food to seniors who still lived on their own, but were at a stage where they struggled to fully support themselves. We believe this could end up being a long-term use for the app after the obvious, more immediate use case, as previously mentioned. Now, to demo our app, when users first come to the site, they're presented with the sign-in screen, which allows the user to create a new user, and that registers a new user in Firebase. This allows them to register for their tasks and also accept other users' tasks. So after creating their email and password, they can submit that information and then move on to the main page, which will load up in just a second here. After they move to the main page, as you can see, we have a map where they will, once fully functioning, be able to see the different tasks in their community, as well as be able to filter by different ranges of when the task was previously given. And they'll also have a view to the side at some point, which will allow them to see the tasks and, as brought down by the drop down there, see the different filters they can filter by, such as work, yard work, borrowing things, spending some time. And they can also filter by the start and end locations. In order to set a task, users can go to the tasks page, and in the task page, they can allow them to enter the task title, task description to describe the task that they're going to complete, and as well as the due date for the task, which would set when they hope the task can be completed by. When they click submit, that sends the information to our MongoDB database, which then pairs it up with the user and presents it to the user, to all users that are logged in on the home page. Currently, this is the extent of our app. While it certainly is not a finished product, we had a lot of fun making it, and we also believe that with some more time and effort, we could flesh this out into a full-fledged design that could hopefully help people increase their accessibility to different services while the pandemic is ongoing and into the future. Thank you very much.